1621 species in genus Dendrobium. Dendrobium, an orchid odyssey. My name is Ferbu, and I've always been drawn to the captivating world of orchids. Their vibrant colors, intricate shapes, and delicate fragrances have an allure that's hard to resist. Among the many orchid genera, one stands out for me, Dendrobium. This diverse and fascinating group of orchids has captured my imagination and fueled my passion for botany. A diverse genus. Dendrobium is one of the largest genera in the Orchidaceae family, boasting over 1,600 species. These orchids are native to a vast geographical range, spanning from the Himalayas through Southeast Asia to Australia and New Zealand. They are predominantly epiphytic, meaning they grow on trees, but some are lithophytic, growing on rocks, and a few are even terrestrial, growing in the ground. This diversity in habitat is reflected in the wide array of forms and colors Dendrobium orchids exhibit. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Unique characteristics. Dendrobiums are sympodial orchids, meaning they grow laterally and produce new shoots from the base of older ones. These shoots, often called canes or pseudobulbs, are thickened stems that store water and nutrients. The leaves of Dendrobium orchids are typically arranged alternately along the canes and can vary in shape and size depending on the species. The flowers, which are the hallmark of any orchid, come in a dazzling array of colors, from pure white and delicate pastels to vibrant yellows, oranges, pinks, purples, and even deep reds. Many Dendrobium species are also fragrant, adding another dimension to their allure. Cultivation and care. One of the reasons I'm so fond of Dendrobiums is their relative ease of cultivation. While they do have specific requirements, they are generally more forgiving than some other orchid genera. Light. Dendrobiums generally prefer bright, indirect light. They can tolerate some direct morning or evening sun, but harsh midday sun can scorch their leaves. Water. Watering frequency depends on the growing medium, temperature, and humidity. It's essential to allow the potting mix to dry out slightly between waterings to prevent root rot. Humidity. Dendrobiums thrive in humid environments. You can increase humidity around your plants by using a humidifier, placing them on a tray of pebbles filled with water, or grouping them together. Temperature. Temperature preferences vary depending on the species. Some Dendrobiums prefer cooler temperatures, while others thrive in warmer conditions. It's important to research the specific needs of your Dendrobium species. Fertilizer. Regular fertilization during the growing season is crucial for healthy growth and flowering. Use a balanced orchid fertilizer and follow the recommended dilution rates. Repotting. Dendrobiums should be repotted every 2 to 3 years or when the potting mix has decomposed. Use a well-draining orchid potting mix. The allure of Dendrobiums. For me, the appeal of Dendrobiums goes beyond their beauty. Their resilience, adaptability, and the sheer diversity within the genus make them a constant source of fascination. Whether it's the delicate fragrance of Dendrobium nobile, the vibrant colors of Dendrobium phalaenopsis, or the unique form of Dendrobium speciosum, there's always something new to discover and appreciate. Dendrobiums are a testament to the incredible diversity and beauty of the orchid world. They're a joy to cultivate and a constant reminder of the wonders of nature.